Oh my days.
1.1.3 Embedded Systems. This is a very small topic. Embedded systems are different from general purpose systems. So general purpose system, like your computer, your mobile phone, your tablet, is just like your standard computer, it can't do everything. An embedded system is a system that is dedicated to a specific task so it can be highly optimized. Now, this means they have low power consumption, small size, and low cost per unit. The result of these things means they're less powerful. Well, that's okay because they're dedicated to a very specific task. They don't need too much power. Examples of these include domestic appliances, hospital equipment, calculators. So, exam question, define what is meant by an embedded system. An embedded system, this is exactly from the mark scheme, is a computer system that is built into another device. Drill that into your heads. It's a computer system that is built into another device. Now identify 3 devices which contain an embedded system. Okay, you've got a sat-nav, dishwasher, MP3 player, manufacturing equipment.